Welcome, family and friends, to our open day here at Cambridge Academy, Ethiopia. We are so excited to have all of you here today. We are the captains of primary school. My name is Abigail Tariq. This year, we were elected as leaders of primary school, so we are here to let you know more about what this year has been like and what today has in store for everyone. I would like to tell you all about what being a primary captain has been like for us. We have worked very hard to make sure we are good leaders for our school. Through this experience, we have learned to work well together, although it wasn't always easy. We got to lead assembly every Friday, we helped organize events, and we got to know the students of primary school more.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Efrata, and I would like to tell you all about what this year has been like at Cambridge. We have hardworking staff and have been able to make good changes in our school. Middle school transitioned into a new building. Year 6 students had leadership training to prepare them for middle school. All of primary went on incredible field trips. We had events like sports day and cross-country running, which was challenging and a lot of fun. It was an eventful year that taught us to work hard and remember that we are leaders. And I want to take this time to thank Miss Liz for working hard to improve the school. We want Cambridge to be the best school it can be, and we know people like Miss Liz will make it happen. Today, there are so many activities to enjoy with your family and friends.
Votre Excellence Dr. Gamachi Desta et sa famille. Votre Excellence la Directive Exécutive Madame Elizabeth Jeans. Votre Excellence Directeur Exécutif Adjoint Monsieur Wanderson T. Michael. Votre Excellence les parents de Cambridge. Invités et respectés, mesdames et messieurs. Administration scolaire, enseignants et élèves. Bienvenue à la journée familiale de l'année 2021 et 2022. Soyez la bienvenue. Merci.
We will present a welcome song which is in Swahili language. The song is Jambo Bwana, which means welcome sir. The outline of the song is basically, hello everyone, how are you? I am fine. The visitors are welcome to our school. Our school is a school of peace. Welcome again and enjoy.
Jambo Bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wakaribishwa shule yetu, hakuna matata. Jambo Bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wakaribishwa shule yetu, hakuna matata.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you to our Cambridge Academy Family Day. Today has been specially designed for you all to see firsthand what we as a school are about. It is a chance for you to sample Cambridge, the community, the family, and above all, the learning and teaching school, which is now known as a centre of high expectations, high standards, and high achievements.
Je m'appelle Meron. Moi et mes copines, on va vous présenter Une chanson et une fable. Moi et Bercy, on chante promenons nous dans le bois.
Now I'm going to translate it in English. The dog and its reflection. The dog, once upon a time, there was a dog with a piece of meat. And then he wanted to eat in peace, so he took it home. On his way home, he had to cross a river.
Greetings, and I would like to say welcome to Cambridge Academy Family Day. This is a great day when we are celebrating all the children, their performances, their education. And I just want to bring up a group that I'm very, very proud of, a group from year 6. I would like for them to start walking in. And as you know, we have a great vision. Our vision for this school is raising up future leaders for this country. Future leaders for this country. And I've been working on leadership lessons with this group. Every year, we have at least 4 graduating groups. FS2 from the foundations, year 6 from primary, year 9 from lower secondary, and year 13 from high school going to colleges and universities. And this is a group that is getting ready to graduate from primary and getting ready to go to lower secondary. On Wednesday, the whole day, we treated them not like students, but United Nations leaders, with their name tags in front of them, getting leadership class the whole day with me. And I was very much impressed with their accomplishment.
If I hope for medals and a cup, I cannot rely on luck. I must do hard work to show the world my worth. That is the essence of never giving up.